Toyota's key-to-app linking technology transforms how you interact with your vehicle. By connecting your physical key fob to the Toyota mobile app, you unlock powerful remote control and monitoring capabilities. The linked app provides comprehensive remote control of your vehicle. You can start or stop your engine from anywhere, lock or unlock doors for convenience or security, track your vehicle's location, and even manage guest access for family members or valets. Beyond remote control, the app provides comprehensive vehicle monitoring. Track your vehicle's health status, receive maintenance reminders, get notified about safety recalls, and analyze your driving patterns for improved efficiency and safety. To link your Toyota key to the app, you need four essential components. First, a compatible Toyota vehicle from 2018 or newer with Toyota Connected Services. Second, your physical smart key fob with proximity sensors. Third, a smartphone running iOS 12 or higher, or Android 8.0 or higher. Finally, an active Toyota Connected Services subscription, which typically includes a 1-year free trial with new vehicles. With these four components in place, you're ready to begin the setup process and unlock the full potential of Toyota's connected vehicle technology. The app interface provides intuitive access to all your vehicle's remote features and monitoring capabilities. Step 1. Download the Toyota app from your device's app store and create your account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Step 2. Add your vehicle to your account by locating and entering your vehicle identification number, or VIN. You can find your VIN in several locations on your Toyota. Step 3. Synchronize your physical key fob with the app. Sit in your vehicle with both key fobs present, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and follow the in-app pairing instructions. Step 4. Set up multi-factor authentication for enhanced security. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account and vehicle access. Step 5. Test the app's basic functions to ensure everything is working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your doors and verify that remote start is functioning properly.